Well, guess what, guys? We got a box from Amazon Prime Day, July, whatever. We got a box from Amazon Prime today. Now remember, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. Really, really helps us to get traction on YouTube. So, but hey, here at Philippine American Couple, we love opening boxes. So let's see what we got. Whoa! Whoa! We got a bunch of things. Wow, this is something I wanted.
It's June today, but he's opening a presents.
Yeah, it's actually July the 1st.
Oh!
And it's a beautiful day here in America. You know, it's going to be extremely hot, up in the 90s and the 100s over the next couple of days for 4th of July is right around the corner. All right, so here's something that I wanted. This is, and I'm going to do testing on it to see how well it really works. This is an Instapot. You know, you guys have these all over Asia, where basically you plug them in, you put your water in, and it heats water like crazy. And I really, this is one thing from all of my trips I find that I really like. They're not super common in America though. So I got one to make my tea with or to heat up my ramen noodles. So this is for me. All right, let's check out my new instant hot water pot. So, you know, these aren't super common in America. We just don't have them in every household. But I love using them, and I think they're great. It's something that I picked up from my travels overseas. This one is called a Tumidy electric kettle. Now, I picked this one because it's kind of cool, and let me show you how, or what it does. So one, it has a little button here that you can do this with, pops the top. The other thing I like about it is it has a screen right here for filtering, which is nice. And then here on the handle is the on and off. Now here's the cool thing. You can see it has temperature settings on it, right? You push these buttons and you change the setting. Now, but let's watch. As you change the settings, you got red, and then you can go to 140 degrees is green, LED. 160 degrees is blue. 175 is kind of a yellow-green. And 195, the hottest it goes to, is this really cool purple. Now, the real question is, does it work? I don't know. So to help with this, I got a picture here of iced tea so that we can see the color. Push that down, and let's go to the yellow green, which is 175. Can you guys see that pretty color? Here, let me turn the light off. All right, maybe this is better. Can you see the color changing? Red is low. Green, blue, yellow, green, and purple's the hottest. This is what I think is really, really cool. So you know what temperature the water is going to be. Now this is supposed to heat this stuff up, any liquid up, really quick. And I got this liquid right out of the refrigerator. Can you hear it? Hey guys, remember, like, subscribe, and share. and leave a comment because it really helps with the algorithms. Now, why I bought this, my purpose of this is, here in America, especially in the fall, the winter, and the spring, I really like to drink hot green tea, Japanese green tea. And I drink a lot of it. And so my goal was to get an instant hot water pot that I could put over there with my teas and my instant coffees, and then keep water in it. And then when you need it, you just hit the on button, the temperature that you want, and you're good to go. It's almost there. I love gadgets, and I love kitchen gadgets. I mean, you can't beat really cool, fun kitchen gadgets, especially ones that light up with LED. This is cool, man. It's lightweight. Let me tell you how much it was. It was $29 and some change on Amazon. So I got it on Amazon, and look, you can see that it's boiling my tea. Man, I am so excited. It's the little things in life that makes me happy. And having good hot water is one of those things. Woo. What I want to see, because this is our first time using this, so you're watching it. What I want to see is if it shuts itself off, which I hope it does, and I think it does. So hopefully once it reaches 195 degrees Fahrenheit, it will click itself off. It does look like the max, well, the boiling is 212. So and I know, some of you folks are probably saying, like, can't you just stick the cup with water in it in the microwave and hit 2 minutes? Yeah, well, that ain't cool, man. This is cool. This is cool. I've been heating up my water for my teas and coffees in the microwave for years. Who needs a microwave when you got an electric kettle that has LED stripping and different temperature settings? Ooh-wee. You know, and if you're like me and you also like instant noodle soup, you know, you just get this hot and pour it in there and let it sit for 2 minutes and you can eat your ramen noodles. There it goes, it turned off. So it reached its desired temperature and turned itself off. That is excellent. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. And if you didn't hear it, it also beeped a little bit. All right, guys, man, we appreciate you. You know, thanks for looking at another one of my stupid videos about kitchen gadgets. Talk to you later.